Today we will discuss the exceptional use of tabla in R.D. Burman's composition. Now this is one instrument which was always used by all music directors. It has always been one of the key instruments in Indian songs. And definitely R.D. Burman was not an exception. There are songs of Eastern arrangements like classical songs, semi-classical songs, raga-oriented songs, songs having some ardi or folksy pattern, folksy flavor. Tabla is either the most prominent one, or this particular sound is blended with many other Eastern instruments like dholak, dholki, madal, duggi, several Eastern instruments, Eastern percussion instruments. But my focus is not in the traditional use of tabla. R.D. Burman was perhaps second to none whenever that experimentation is concerned. In certain songs, tabla is used not as others would have used. In certain songs, it takes a very brief span. Tabla comes for a very brief moments. But that particular brief tabla passage becomes the most significant one. It becomes brief. This instrument, this experimentation with tabla comes mainly in his 80s song after 1980. This is my personal belief, of course. My friends may vary in this opinion, but still I believe that post 1980, this experimentation with tabla becomes more frequent. But I will start with two most referred songs in this genre, and both are from 70s. First, from 1973, Raja Rani. This is perhaps the commonest example of R.D.'s unusual use of tabla. The song has the various, the song has two versions, all of you know that the song has two versions. One is little faster one, little paisiya one, and the other one is little slower one. Just note how tabla takes a very brief part, a very small place of the tabla. When all music stops, tabla becomes the most important one. The first version, of course, doesn't have the tabla. It is based on drums and congas instead of tabla. But just see that vital part of the use of tabla here. The first song is this. Now on to the next song. This particular song has the most innovative way of tabla use. You can't actually recognize the sound of tabla at all. Thanks to the discussion on his compositions, many of us come to know from the experts or from the musicians who demonstrated the use of tabla in many different shows we could understand that particular sound that keeps the rhythm is actually hammer rubbing over the skin of the tabla. The earthy and the folksy appeal of the song lies on that. That particular sound goes on throughout, it keeps the rhythm. And it is really very difficult to understand unless we are told that this is actually a sound of tabla. Here again, the tabla being rubbed on by hammer to create that rhythmic sound. So you heard that the sound of hammer rubbing on tabla, that becomes the most prominent sound of all the sounds. Now let us move on to 1980s. Here is one song from Pukar. It's a very popular one, you all know it. Here you see the use of tabla. It goes on throughout. But how the use of tabla makes the sound of the song totally different. That what I'll say, the raunchiness of the song, the sensuousness of the song comes from the use of tabla. It is little closed, it is fast paced, and it goes on throughout. And that rhythm of the song comes from that particular use of tabla. In the same year, another film released, Mahan. In a rollicking Kishore Kumar Asha Bhosle number, R.D. Burman has used tabla with a stunning effect here. The song is mainly based on the arrangements on keyboard. Drums and keyboard take the mainstay of the song. But tabla sounds so exciting. The way tabla goes on playing, it makes the song so much exciting. Just listen to the use of tabla here.
तौबा ये क्या है नजारा, कभी बोले ना कभी बोले हाँ, तेरी अदाओं ने मारा। अभी रूठे तू अभी माने तू, तौबा ये क्या है नजारा, कभी बोले ना कभी बोले हाँ, तेरी अदाओं ने मारा। तू लाख छुपा था मुझको पता, तेरी नाम छुपी थी हाँ 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 हाँ। प्यार में दिल पे मार दे गोली, ले ले मेरी जान।
So you heard that among all the instruments how tabla takes such a significant place throughout the song. And now this continuous use of tabla to keep the main rhythm of the song is found in another song, the song that I am going to take next. Here again, the tabla goes on playing at the backdrop of the song throughout, but the pattern is completely different. The main rhythm is kept on the repeated hit on the cowbell, a sound, tuck, 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 tuck sound, and tabla chappi keeps on playing along with that song to keep that rhythm. Mark the different pattern of the tabla here.
कितने भी तू कर ले सितम, हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम। कितने भी तू कर ले सितम, हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम। ये प्यार ना होगा कम सनम तेरी कसम हो सनम तेरी कसम सनम तेरी कसम कितने भी तू कर ले सितम हंस हंस के सहेंगे हम ये प्यार ना होगा कम सनम तेरी कसम हो सनम तेरी कसम सनम तेरी कसम जितना तड़पाएगी मुझको उतना ही तड़पेगी तू भी जो आज है आरज़ू मेरी वो कल तेरी आरज़ू होगी जितना तड़पाएगी मुझको उतना ही तड़पेगी तू भी जो आज है आरज़ू मेरी वो कल तेरी आरज़ू होगी ये झूठ नहीं सच है सनम सनम तेरी कसम हो सनम तेरी कसम सनम तेरी कसम
So a uniform tabla pattern runs throughout these songs. In such songs, the rhythm of the songs are generally kept with tabla when it is blended with some other rhythmic instruments only. But now I will take one song where tabla is blended with bass guitar, a most unusual combination of tabla and bass guitar. All other sounds are there, they come and go, but tabla and bass guitar run throughout. And the entire song is based on the pattern of tabla, one single pattern of tabla. Of all the sounds, again bass guitar and tabla, here take the most prominent one.
मान भी जाओ मेरी बात सनम, हाथों में रहने दो ये हाथ सनम।
छूना छूना मुझे छूना छूना देखो छूना,
पास आओ ना,
जाने दो ना।
How stunning the sound of tabla is in this song. Now I will move on to the next category. Here Adi Burman has used the combination of madal and tabla to a great effect. I have taken two songs where the rhythm is mainly based on the combination of madal and tabla. In the first song, just mark mainly in the antara how tabla is always there, not just in the antara, tabla is always there, but to mark the change in the cross line, how madal is used. A sudden somber grave madal joins tabla. Among all other sounds, just one madal and one tabla and one maracas. These three sounds are the most significant and crucial sounds of all the other drums and keyboard sounds. And these three particular sounds, tabla, madal and maracas, they keep the rhythm throughout.
किसकी सदाएं मुझको बुलाए, अनजाने सपने नींदें चुराए, तेरी अदाएं जादू जगाए, धरती संवारे मौसम सजाए.
किसकी सदाएं मुझको बुलाए, अनजाने सपने नींदें चुराए, तेरी अदाएं जादू जगाए, धरती संवारे मौसम सजाए. आने से तेरे महकी हवाएं जागी हुई है सारी फिजाएं, इसकी सदाएं मुझको बुलाए, अनजाने सपने नींदें चुराए. La 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 la.
I will take another example of this particular category where tabla and madal make magic together. Here, tabla and madal, the different patterns of madal, I would say, these two are used with crispy hi-hat sounds. Franco Vaz's hi-hat sound was very special, and you just mark how crisp the hi-hat sound is. With this hi-hat sound of the drums, tabla and different patterns of madal, they make a great team to keep the rhythm. Now I will take one song where tabla is used just to decorate the song. Why I say this? The entire progression of the song is little westernized. The pattern is westernized, the arrangement is westernized, and tabla is not actually needed, perhaps, of course. But on second thoughts, after you listen to the song, you can feel that tabla was used in such important junctures at a it comes continually at those crucial junctures, and whenever the beats on tabla comes, the complexion of the song keeps changing. So tabla, just to decorate a particular song, here you find a glorious example. At the beginning of the show, I told you that the use of tabla in R.D. Burman's composition was most instinctive, most intelligent, and most unpredictable. You never knew from where suddenly, all of a sudden, a tabla comes and changes the dimension of the song altogether. In this category, I will take two or three songs. There are so many songs in this particular category. In all these songs, the duration of tabla is brief but very significant. Let us move on to the first song of this category. So just in the first music, just in music 1, you find this tabla. Just a few bursts of tabla, but it really stays in the ear. Arjun has one more song where we can find telling use of tabla. Just in the second, second music, all the other sounds actually make the way when tabla would come up. And when tabla really comes up, it makes such a tremendous effect. It's such a stunning second interlude. Just listen to the second interlude of this song.
जब चल पड़े हम तो रुकते नहीं, आंधी के आगे भी झुकते नहीं। जब चल पड़े हम तो रुकते नहीं, आंधी के आगे भी झुकते नहीं। सर झुकाए जो हार जाए जो, वो आदमी भी कोई आदमी है क्या? दुनिया माने बुरा तो गोली मारो, डर के जीना है कोई जीना यारो। यारों पे सदा जा करो फिदा, दुश्मन को ये पता तो दुश्मनी है क्या? केरो मामा, केरो मामा।
Now we will take another song which is based on Western arrangement. Throughout it is based on keyboard, but tabla comes again in the second music, in the music 2. The tabla passage stands out, absolutely stands out. Maybe the picturization of the song demands that tabla, that's use of little brief eastern arrangements with sitar and tabla and all before it goes back to again the western part. But the entire song is based on that programmed synthesized sound. But just the second interlude, second music, it makes a totally different appeal of the song. It brings a totally different appeal to the song.
तेरी ये सादगी, ये भोलापन तेरा, मेरा नसीब है खिलता जौबन तेरा।
मेरी बहार तू, मेरा करार तू, मस्ती से भर दिया तूने जीवन मेरा।
तू मेरी है मैं तेरा हूँ सनम, तू मेरी है मैं तेरा हूँ सनम। पगली है क्या हंस दे जरा, पगली है क्या हंस दे जरा। आ, आ,
चुपके से बोल दे दिल में जो बात है, अब कोई डर नहीं, अपनी हर रात है।
अपना ये प्यार भी
ला ला
पूजा से कम नहीं,
ला ला ला
मुझको ये नाज है
ला ला ला।
तू मेरे।
Yeah, I'm sorry that the particular tabla actually came in the third music. Jawani song is a pretty long one, and it came in the third music of the song before it again goes back to the Western program bit. The last song of this category I have taken from the movie Drohi, one of his last movies actually. This is an item number. In the nightclub song, the prominence is of drums, saxophone, tumba, all those brass instruments, and vocal, all those vocal jagdari of Jolly Mukherjee. So those sounds are main sounds of this particular song. But mark how tabla is so intelligently used. When the first line is repeated, tabla comes up, and when tabla comes up, it really brings a change. It really brings a total change to the feel of the song. Little small bits of tabla, but how instinctive and how intelligently tabla is used.
हाँ जुबा जुबा नशे में बहका ये समा, हाँ कहता है कोई मिलने को आएगा यहाँ। रू 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 आज मुलाकात है, होने कोई बात है, आज मुलाकात है, होने कोई बात है, इंतजार एक पल और मेरी जान। जुबा जुबा नशे में बहका ये समा, हाँ कहता है कोई मिलने को आएगा यहाँ। रू 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 आज मुलाकात है, होने कोई बात है, आज मुलाकात है, होने कोई बात है, इंतजार एक पल और मेरी जहाँ।
Now let me wrap up my show with this last number. This is one of my eternal favorites. Here, the use of instruments is so minimal, you can't come across so many instruments here. But tabla goes on in a very subtle way. In Mukhra and in the crossovers, tabla goes on off the beat and leaves a trail in your ears. Let this be the last song of this session. I will definitely come back with some other shows in future.
प्यार के मोड़ पे छोड़ोगे जो बाहें मेरी, प्यार के मोड़ पे छोड़ोगे जो बाहें मेरी, तुमको ढूंढेंगी ज़माने में, निगाहें मेरी प्यार के मोड़ पे छोड़ोगे जो बाहें मेरी।
ओ जिंदगी में जो कहीं और मैं खो जाऊंगा, जिंदगी में जो कहीं और मैं खो जाऊंगा, तुमसे मिलने के लिए लौट के फिर आऊंगा। ऐ मेरी जाने राहें मेरी
प्यार के मोड़ पे छोड़ोगे जो बाहें मेरी।
Thank you. Thank you for listening.